Hello, this is Andy from Walk Motor Company in Newbury, and welcome to the sale of this 1988 F-registered Mercedes 260E. So this car is the 2.6 straight 6 petrol engine with a 4-speed automatic. Really nice car. We've just spent some decent money having her recommissioned. So this car is not restored. It's not you know, like one of those things on Bangers and Cash that might be mint out of somebody's collection. But you know what? It is a very honest, straight example of one of these cars. It's only had 2 owners from new, both ladies, and both with the same surname, so sisters. So from 1988 till 2011, the first lady had it, and then from 11 onwards, the second lady. 95,000 miles on the clock, so at what, 33 years old? I mean, crumbs. I think I've handled cars that are 4 years old with more miles than that on it. So very low mileage for the year, very nice condition, drives lovely, and everything appears to work that I've touched, including the sunroof. Having a bit of a love affair with it is a very, very nice example. So we'll show you around the inside, blue cloth inside, very, very clean and tidy, and yeah, we'll see what you think as we go. So starting with the driver's door card, the blue cloth centre sort of, you know, the cloth in the middle there is all nice condition, so is the plastics, etc. Good old manual mirror on this side. Looking at the driver's seat, all intact, very minimal wear to the bolster down there, but incredible condition for its age. Even the armrest sitting there, you know, it's not sort of got any holes in it or anything, which is weird. Passenger seat, lovely. Passenger's door card. Dashboard has no cracks in it, the steering wheel's very nice. All looks to be very nice and genuine. So the view from the steering wheel, no electronic gizmos to show you like cruise control, etc. But the wipers and the indicators are on this one stalk on this side, if I can get it to focus, thank you. As are your lights over that side, and fog lights as well, and the release for the handbrake. Current mileage is 95,556, and if I turn the key, you will see, start straight away, nice oil pressure, everything as it should be, no warning lights on the dash either. Turn her off so we don't gas ourselves. I did get a new set of keys from Mercedes-Benz for this, there's 2 brand new keys. Looking across the top of the dashboard, all in nice condition. No cracks or anything. Windscreen, didn't notice any chips or anything in there. Just ventilation, so hot and cold ventilation. Got this Alpine radio, it's not period, it should be a Blaupunkt one, but that's what she came with. 4-speed auto, and it does have the eco and sport switch. 4 electric windows, and the passenger mirror is electric. Seat on the passenger side, also very, very nice indeed. As I say, electric mirror on that side. So very nice inside this car. Driver's side rear door card, again in good order. There's some wear and tear along the top there, just from years gone by. And then looking at the rear seat, absolutely perfect. Head restraints are still here. Still got the first aid kit in the back parcel shelf. And you will notice that this netting, I think, has given up, but I think it's repairable. Just while I'm here, to give you a clue, looking inside the door shuts, etc. All very nice. I've put a magnet around the car, and it is as we hoped it would be. Into the boot area, nice and clean and tidy, quite original. Around, still got this original carpet in. What I do is I'll just whiz it out so that you can see that the rear the spare wheel footwell is intact. There's no rust around there, all looking in nice condition. A little bit of surface rust just along there. Underneath the boot lid, again fine, very nice indeed. Passenger rear door card, again excellent. A little bit of damage at the top there. Looking across this side of the rear seat, again exactly what we expected to see. Back of the front seat fine as well. Passenger side front door card, again excellent. And again we'll give you another clue, looking down and underneath the doors, lovely. And in the door the sill shuts, and up that way, lovely. Another view of this side of the dashboard and of the passenger seat, again all in lovely condition. While I'm here, we'll show you the inside of the sunroof channels. Again, really good. This has still got its boing in it. We did lubricate it. Same on that side. All very, very nice indeed. So part of the sort of recommissioning we did was to put a new radiator in this car, new fluids all the way through. Well, just to show you the chassis legs, etc. Car has new brake fluid, engine sweet as a nut. I think it's had a recent alternator on it, but not with us. Looking down this side, again chassis legs all good, turret tops all good, and I think there's just a bit, I think there's a bit of a patch just down the front there, but you know, it's 33 years old, of course there is, but really, really nice. And across the slam panel too, still got the correct chassis VIN plates on it and whatnot. I would think it's probably had a couple of wings on it in the past, because they just probably look too good, if I'm honest. But no worries there, saves you doing it. Under the bonnet, could probably do with a new, we'll get a new sound deadening for it. They're not a lot of money to put on, would finish that off nicely. Got the original alloy wheels on the car, really nice condition on the near side. That tyre is pretty much as new. Looking along the passenger side of the car, can't see any dinks, dents or scrapes. Near side rear road wheel, again good. Tyre, very good. Let's see if we can get a little bit of underneath there. Very, 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 very slight bit of rust coming. Around this corner, all good and lovely. Same round here. There's a little chip on the boot lid there. Around this side, driver's side rear wheel, nice, very good tyre. And along the driver's side of the car, or the flanks as I like to call them, can't see any dinks or dents along there. As new tyre on this front as well, this front side, and that wheel in lovely condition. HPI check for this car, all clear. Does say one former keeper, and that does correspond with the logbook, which says one former keeper. I'm just keeping the address and that of the old owner covered for data protection. The MOT is 25th of October 21, and then this is what we've had done to the car here in our workshops here. So we've spent over £1,000 making sure that the car is good to go, so we like to keep our ethics in place. Loads of stamps here in the book, I won't bore you with all of them, but it's not a full history, but I mean crumbs, there's plenty of it, do you know what I mean? So yeah, all nice to have. So there we go, nice isn't it? Nice level car, honest. Somebody's got to want to love this car, but give it a new home, it can start a new adventure. The car's already lived a life, but it can start a new one. 1988 F-Reg Mercedes-Benz 260E, automatic, 95,000 miles. I think the video and the photographs speak for themselves. If you'd like to come and see the car, it's in Newbury in Berkshire, so do give me a ring. My name's Andy on 07786 742 422. Thank you for watching our videos, and sorry about the ladder.